In this video, I will demonstrate how to transfer the data from Microsoft Excel to SPSS. So first, you have to transfer the data by selecting the data in Microsoft Excel. You don't need to transfer the names of the variables. So copy and then go to SPSS. Make sure you have selected Data View. Select the first cell and then you may go to Edit and choose Paste. Or you may use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V. Let's adjust the column width. SPSS generates the variable names here on top. And as you can see, there are also icons before the variable names. These icons represent the level of measurement, which I will show you later. Now let's go to Variable View to edit the variables. The first one is name. The second one is section. The third one is birth order. I will not have space between the words. Pre-test is the next one. And the last variable is post-test. For the type, string is appropriate for name. It's just simply a string of characters or letters. Section string is acceptable. For birth order up to post-test, you may choose numeric. For the width, the numbers here represent the number of characters that you are allowed to enter. For the name, we only have 7 characters, but if you want to enter more letters, more characters, then you have to edit this. But for now, I'll just make use of these numbers. For the decimal, we don't need decimal place for birth order. Say for pre-test, if you only have whole numbers, you may have 0 decimals. Label, for the column label, you have to type the complete name of the variables. So we have name, section. For the birth order, you are now allowed to have space between the words. Pre-test score, and the last one is post-test score. Values. The values are needed for nominal data. So especially the ones with categories. So name is a nominal data, but it doesn't have categories. For section, it does have categories. So let's edit the values by clicking the 3 dots here, and then we assign a number to a particular category. Any number is okay, but by convenience, let's use 1 and 2. So for value 1, let's assign that to section A. I'll click Add. For value 2, let's assign that to section B, and then Add. And then let's click OK. There. Missing, we don't need to edit that. For the columns, align, we may skip editing these 3 characteristics of the variables. For the measure, it's important that you choose the correct level of measurement. Name is nominal, so this is correct, and as you can see, there is an icon before the word nominal. Section is also nominal, that's correct. Birth order is ordinal, so let's choose ordinal. Pre-test is scale. Post-test score is scale. Okay, so as a review, we edited the name, type, width. Yeah, we just left it on its own. Decimals, labels. Label was also edited. Values, we edited the values for section because it has categories, and we also edited measure or level of measurement. Now let's go back to data view. As you can see here, we have icons placed before the name of the variables. Okay. There. So this is our SPSS file that shows the data for the variables name, section, birth order, pre-test, and post-test.